Today we have a Makita 12 volt hack. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform by subscribers and likes. Yes, guys, we got an unbelievable deal for this tool, or these two tools, this combo kit. Alright, we got the 12 volts CXT lithium cordless 3-piece combo kit with impact driver and impact wrench, flashlight, 1.5 amp hour. Big shout out to the toolbox. He posted this first. However, I'm gonna post it different because on this, however, I'm gonna be putting it, it's gonna be different because I believe he posted it, the whole tool and the battery for free in one single item. I'm gonna see if I can post it different so you guys will be able to hack this. Alright, so you got the compact drilling driver, cordless one for $195, guys. So you get 2 batteries, impact driver or impact wrench. Yeah, you get an impact wrench and an impact driver. You got a bag, a charger, and this is a light. Yeah, a flashlight. It's a really small flashlight. Alright, so first of all, you go down here to the free gift with purchase. Alright, once you get to the free gift with purchase, you select the free battery and the free fan. So value of $129. So go add to cart. Alright, so once you get here to the add to cart, guys, you're getting a fan and a battery for $77.99. Let's look at the battery here. It's a 4 amp hour battery, so it's a big battery. So definitely keep the battery and the fan. I think it's a great deal if you keep the battery and the fan, to tell the truth. Alright, so $77.99, but check this out. If you guys just want this combo kit here at the bottom, $117. Killer deal. This is smoking deal. Probably the best we've seen. The cheapest we've seen for a 12 volt tool from Makita. Guys, go get them out there. I'll leave the link down below in the description section. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.